What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. I'm gonna go over our friend Matic. Currently, we're sitting at 93 cents. We're down 0.72 on the day. We're sitting at a market cap of 7.22 billion. 24-hour volume 2.1. Wow. 24-hour volume 2.1 billion. Last week we were at like 300 million, 500 million. Crazy. There's been some insane volume here for Matic. So let's hop into the charts. We're here on the 4-hour. Look at that volume, guys. Absolutely incredible. So what we're seeing here on the 4-hour, we have a topping tail. See this long wick? It has other names, but I refer to it as a topping tail and can be the signal of a short-term top. Not always. If price pushes above it, it invalidates it. We are seeing some bullish consolidation here where you have a nice little bull pennant. Potential descending triangle as well, but you see this as a bull pennant. What you would do is measure your flagpole, take it to your point of breakout, and that could push Matic all the way up to $1.23. We were talking about a potential extended wave 3. Please watch yesterday's video. Now, if we do see some pullback here, obviously Matic has been extremely bullish over the last month, and we could definitely just keep exploding and see continuation to the upside. But if we do see some pullback here, I'm looking for a wave 4 pullback to get you in at about 74 to about 82 cents. Now, I may look to take a long. If we pull back into this zone, I may look to take a long to ride Matic up. Just as we pulled back into this zone right here on our wave 2, boom, we exploded to the upside. So we see a wave 4 pullback. I may look to get in, because as a trader, you're not looking to get in as it's pumping. You're looking to get in as it's pulling back to take a long. If anything, you'd be looking for a short, but I'm not a big short trader in an uptrend, and we have started an uptrend here for Matic. All right, guys, so that's potentially what we're looking at. As we mentioned in yesterday's video, we are overbought on the 4-hour, on the 1-hour. Let's look at our 1-hour indicators. Yeah, so we have a double top on the 1-hour time frame, and we're losing strength a little bit here, but we can still continue to explode. And if we do, your next major level that we covered yesterday, $1.04, absolutely massive level of support and resistance here at $1.04. And as I always mention, support and resistance is like a magnet for the price. So if we come down, we have support at 83 cents, 75 cents. You can see all the support in this area, which is the pullback zone for the wave 4, and where I would look to enter along. Currently we're making some juicy profits on our Gala trade. I'm posting my analysis and my Gala trade up 91%, juicy gains. You can sign up through the Patreon. It's only $10 a month. You can get my exact entries, exits, and take profits for my leverage trades, for my spot trades. You can see what I'm doing with my HODL alt plays for my long-term holds, and 2,000 members talking all things crypto, only $10 a month. All right, guys, so there's my little plug for the day. Well, I plug it into every video, and there's probably going to be a couple more today. So anyways, guys, if we do see a pullback, I just watch the support zone 74 to about 84 cents. If we lose that and we come down, we lose these lows, that invalidates this whole wave structure. But as of right now, beautiful breakout to the upside. We've reversed the trend on the daily. Look at this absolutely scrumdiddlyumptious volume that you're seeing right here. Absolutely incredible volume. Signals a reversal in the trend. We broke these swing highs, which in my opinion signifies that the downtrend is over in the short term, and we started at a higher low, and we started a higher high, higher low uptrend here on the daily time frame for our friend Matic. Just absolutely exploded. As I mentioned previously, I will look to get in on my HODL position on the wave 2 pullback. So let's say the wave 5, let's bring this down a little bit. Let's say the wave 5 ends, give me a level of resistance, $1.33, $1.34. Let's say the wave 5 ends at $1.34. All right, guys, this is the larger wave count. So here's your wave 1. So what you would do is take your Fib retracement from the bottom of wave 1 to the top of the wave 5. So we're going to go to $1.35. Let's go to $1.35. Let's say this is all hypothetical. This is where your wave 5 ends. Well, you're going to see a wave 2 pullback, and usually that wave 2 is going to pull you all the way down to the 0.5 to 0.618. So you're looking at 55 to 66 cents. So that's when I'll look to get in on my long-term hold. If we complete a 5-way move to the upside, I'll look to DCA at the 0.5, at the 0.618, at the 0.786. If we come all the way down, we break this low, then we're looking at lower prices, and I'll continue to DCA. But as I mentioned, I only have 5% of my total allocation that I want to get into Matic for the long term till the next to the peak of the next bull cycle. And if this were to be the bottom, that's not promised. What I'll look to do is start DCAing at 66 cents, at 55 cents, at 43 cents. If we go lower, I'll continue to DCA because I missed the bottom on Matic, so I'll look to get in on that wave 2 pullback that we talked about yesterday. Somebody had commented in yesterday's video to show the potential levels for a wave 2 pullback, so there they are. It all depends on where the wave 5 ends. Until then, you can't give a super accurate a price point or a price range, I should say. So that's basically it for Matic. If we do pull back, there is a potential for that, as we do have a bottoming tail, and we can see we're getting rejected here. And we have a little bit of a double top, but we could continue to pump. If we do, your next levels of resistance to watch $1.04, $1.16 is your technical target, and then about $1.34, $1.35. And then if we pull back, I'm looking for a bounce in between 75 to about 82 cents to maintain this Elliott wave structure and see the continuation of the uptrend for Matic. If we come down, we lose these lows, then potentially we have to look at a different wave count. That is basically it. Big shout out to the Discord. Over 2,000 members making juicy profits with Gala. Up 91% on my 5x leverage trade. Gave the signal for my entries and exits, take profits for all my trades, everything that I'm doing here. And I also post my own analysis as well as news every once in a while too. And over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. You can sign up through the Patreon. Price of a coffee for the 2,000 members, $10 a month for everything else. If you want to trade with me, sign up to Bybit. That's where I do all my trading. That's my favorite exchange. I have a full length tutorial. If you want to learn to trade on Bybit, there's lots of bonuses. Check it out. Highly recommend it. See you in the next video. All right. Peace. Much love.